How's it going, guys? My name is Rami and welcome back to yet a beautiful another episode of RQ's Garage. It is summer, I got my tank top on, the sun is shining on my beautiful face, and we're having a great time here. I wanted to wish everyone a happy 4th of July. That had just happened a couple days ago. I hope you had a great holiday, was beautiful here, had a great time in the city of Akron myself. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to put on tags on your license plate. Now, if you didn't know this, every single car here in the US has a tag, and that tag basically qualifies the ownership of that vehicle. The tags can be placed on the bottom right, the bottom left corner of license plate. Every single state is different. Here in Ohio, if you're looking at a license plate directly in front of you, the tag is gonna be on the bottom right. And every year, that tag expires, which means the license plate expires, which means it's kind of illegal to be driving with expired tags. You could get a citation, you could get pulled over. We don't want that to happen. If you just stay timely with your registration, make sure you renew it every single year, you won't have that problem. My license plate is gonna expire next month in August, so you know what? I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna put the tags on here in July. The process is super simple. You really need one tool. Either need some type of utility knife, you can use a flathead screwdriver, something kind of sharp, because that adhesive to take off the tag is basically like a really sticky sticker. It's kind of hard to take off, so something sharp like this can help remove the tag much easier. Some optional tools, maybe some isopropyl alcohol, some type of cleaner, and some cloths or rags, just to make sure that surface is really clean. It's really simple. I'll give you the whole tutorial on what to do when you get your new tags, what to do when you get your new registration, and how to take off the old tag, put on the new tag. This process takes minutes, so everyone should be able to do it. You have some free time. Are you ready? Cause I am. Let's go remove our tags. So we're gonna get started by finding the tag on the license plate. I'm on the back of my vehicle, and all the tags are gonna be on the back license plates. You have my license plate number, of course my state. You have the Ohio 77 Summit sticker that everyone's gonna have per state. That's all gonna differ. And here in Ohio, in the bottom right corner, there's my tag. So it's gonna expire on August 22nd, 2021. So they just have the 821 in bold and in big, so anyone like a cop or a state official can see exactly when it expires. But the actual date is August 22nd. So this is still valid until August 21st of 2021, but I wanna be safe, I wanna be prepared, I wanna get done now. I already have my new tags. Like I said, we're just gonna need a utility knife, a flathead screwdriver, something sharp to peel off the sticker. I like to get it at the corner and get a little slit in there, peel her off. Really simple. They are kind of hard. These are like 3M adhesives, so it's really freaking sticky. It's not easy to pull off like any normal sticker. If you take it slow, you can kind of get it all in one pass. They make these adhesives water resistant, you know, able to work in different climates because it's going to be really hot outside, really cold wherever you're living. Anyway, boom, it's off. It's really crappy and sticky now. We'll throw that to the side. Again, this step is optional, but we got some alcohol, got a rag. And again, I like to just clean the old surface, get all the adhesives off. Just so we have a nice fresh surface to put the new sticker on. And alcohol dries really fast, so I like using alcohol on automotive components because it's not gonna be wet when I'm done here. It's gonna dry out in seconds, if that. It's a hot day. All right, surface is all clean. Get our new sticker. Take it slow, just like being back in elementary school. Don't wanna get any bubbles in there. A nice flat surface to put it on, nice clean surface, nice and visible. Boom! She's done. All right, so we just got the new sticker on the license plate. The last thing we need to do is take out the old paperwork from the old e-check and the old registration and put in our new information. This stuff expires every year. So once you put on your new tags, make sure you get the old e-check from last year, your old registration, because they expire on this year, on this date. And then boom, real simple. You're gonna get all of our new information. Get a nice half fold in here. We want to make sure the registration's on top because we know exactly where it is. You know that famous phrase when a cop pulls you over, license and registration. So boom, license in your wallet, registration on top. You have it there ready to go just in case of an emergency. We're done. We can pitch the old paperwork and we just got our new tags on our license plate. We have some personal information here from my car, my registration, my address, my car's VIN, all the type of stuff. I learned this from my brothers years ago. If you're ever throwing away valuable pieces of paper that has information about you, rip it up, tear it up. You never know who could be in the trash. You never know what's out there. It's always safe to just rip off all this information. Ooh, this is showing my strength right now. There we go. And then literally just like confetti. So it's impossible to retrace. I want to thank you guys for the endless support we've been getting here at RQ's Garage. The license plate is officially renewed. No need to worry. Make sure you get yours renewed every single year. If you don't know much about tags, ask your parents, ask your family. If you're a parent watching this video, be sure to educate your kids because it's important for them to know so the next generation keeps up with this information. Just a simple thing as putting new tags on could save us countless hours of going to the title office, getting pulled over, getting a citation. We don't need any of that extra BS in our lives. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, if you learned something today, make sure you give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. We are growing RQ's Garage to limits I could not have imagined. Thank you so much for the support. Have a beautiful summer. Have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July, and we'll see you on the next one.